What are they doing to their phone?
Wait. I want to see. They're gonna get...
They're cutting wood now?
So, they just get the sides of the phone to get a wood for what?
For a phone case?
For the phone case?
Could be a phone case. Now they're taking glue, they're putting it in the
Why?
oven. Why?
To use the shape of the wood to... Gotcha!
Okay, so now they have this press and they're cutting it out.
It's a waste of glue gun sticks.
It seems like it. It seems like a lot of glue has been wasted.
Yeah, which is they're not gonna use, I guess.
Okay, so they're cutting out the camera area. This is an older iPhone.
Very bad.
And we cut out the pieces. Very nice. Now we take out our wood.
Okay.
I think. Oh no, we're cutting on leather.
What is that action? With the glue gun stick with glue.
I have no idea. Just to get the shape for the leather. That seems unnecessary, right?
But maybe they will bend it around, or maybe use as a base. You know, like it looks like the, let's say, Wally-ish cover.
It could be.
Which is cover. You know, this I don't know, old style one.
Maybe.
Recently we tried to find for my grandmother cover, which cover from both sides. And we couldn't. We asked around in a mall. Like
my mom has one of those. Yeah. I know they make them.
So yeah, where are they? They just disappeared or what? Or we didn't search it enough?
Yes, it could be that.
Okay.
Okay, so we're pulling the sides and coloring. Okay, making it darker. A little polish. Nice.
Okay. Wow. Woo.
Wood mood. This whole thing is putting me in a wood mood. It's better than putting your wood in a mood. Okay.
Yes.
So they did use the plastic.
Maybe.
And now we have a really ugly phone case that looks like it was made by a child. Okay.
Nice. I don't know. Do you like it? Let us know in the comments actually. Maybe it's not just our cup of tea.
Sure.
Maybe
Sorry
some
guys.
of you, yeah.
If you like that, that is your opinion.
No, let us know.
Your bad opinion.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
Now my grandmother watching like, I want it.
I like this. I was looking for this.
Yes, that's what we were searching about.
Okay, so we have, see this is nice. That's nice. I want more of that, whatever that was. Okay, so we pull it out of the mold, and now we have a nice piece of metal that's shaped like our phone.
Yep. So now you can use it for any action around.
And we're pouring, what is that?
It's looked like a lava.
It looks gross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you want
it's like you melted
cover
a bunch of,
like so.
It's like literally like they melted a bunch of flaming hot Cheetos. Wow, I'm kind of hungry. Ooh, it looks like sweet and sour sauce.
No.
Hard sweet and sour sauce now.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so we have the outline for a phone case.
And what is this?
Putting ice over it for 10 minutes. That's
to get rid of it easy, I guess.
Okay.
Or you can put it in the hot water. It actually helps to remove glue gun from...
Yeah, so we got a glue phone case. It's gotta be sticky though, right?
I expect that it's gonna be uglier. But it doesn't, it's not bad.
It's okay, but it is kind of ugly to be honest.
I mean, it could be worse.
It could be worse.
From the first action, you know, when they just... Okay, they just took dough. I don't know.
Yeah, some dough, okay. Pop that on there.
Of course. How perfectly they found this logo,
that was really good.
Logo place.
Good for them.
Yeah. How?
What's the point of finding that if you were gonna stick your card over it anyway?
I don't know. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah. I just ask all the important questions here.
You're Flint, responsible for important questions.
Yeah, that's my title on
yes.
Important question asker.
Okay. Oh, it's like that Apple wallets, which they sold it for some crazy money.
Yeah, true.
Okay. Oh. Now you know what is this hole
so
for.
You can take it. Okay, so you can play with your hole. All right.
Yeah. But I'm not sure if it can stick well because there is just a. Oh, of course, I know on the phone there is a magnet around.
Yeah.
But will it be strong to hold that wallet? Because on the original wallet there is also magnet.
Yeah.
So magnet to magnet could be better. But there is just a screw.
Also, I'm afraid of magnets next to my phone. Like it might ruin my phone. You know.
Oh, you like from. I don't know.
You call me old?
Oh, yes, I wanna.
Dang.
From which century are you?
5th century. I don't know what happened in the 5th century, but I know I was made, so it was awesome.
So don't put the magnet close to your TV or anything. Yes, to the old TV, that's better to not put magnet to the screen because it could get the
also, some key cards and things like that, you can demagnetize them.
I guess now they prevent it from all this thing. Yes.
Dang, I am old.
Because magnets everywhere. Like in your phone, there is a magnet. You know, on headphones and everything, there is a lot of magnets. If it would affect on your anything, that would be very bad. So
True.
I guess they found a way how to. But yes, of course, a while ago it was like so.
Okay.
Okay, wow, what is this? It's like
it's a little present.
That's like from the scary movie, you know, like they rubbed something.
Oh, like skin?
Yeah, like
yeah, it kind of looks like skin. Gross. Thank you for making me make that association in my brain.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, that looks more professional, you know.
This one is looking very good so far. Okay, so we're making little holes on each end.
I'm surprised that the leather can hold this shape, you know,
after
all this. Wow.
I mean, it looks like they pulled it pretty tight, and I think they heated it up or something, so.
Yep.
Ooh, a brand. Wow, little leaf. I like it.
Is it the Canada? No?
No, it's not Canadian.
No, yeah. Sorry.
Sorry, Canada. Get a better leaf.
Come on.
It's okay, I'm American, I can say that.
But you're not Canadian.
No. But I'm part French, so that's kind of Canadian.
Oh, you always can find it. Okay.
All right, looking pretty okay.
Well, it's actually kind of. I wouldn't, you know.
I would put
such
this, You wouldn't have it?
No, I mean, but I appreciate how it looks.
If someone made this for me, I would put it on my phone case.
Oh, in this case, of course.
Yeah.
If somebody did it, yeah.
And I wouldn't be ashamed of it, you know, because they could give you a crappy one, and you'd be like, crap, I have to put it on my phone. I'm like, okay, I like this. I like this.
I like this too much.
I like this. It's pretty nice.
Oh, it's also the action of the sucking this plastic.
Yeah.
I love it. There is, yeah. I know your jokes. Why just?
Okay.
I could stop.
So the sucking action of the plastic, yeah. It's pretty good.
That's pretty good. Good. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
That's nice. Okay, the burning action of the wood. All right.
Oh, now they're gonna make it from the metal and put it in that hole.
In the hole. Yep. Straight in the hole.
What's wrong with you?
What isn't wrong with any of us, honestly?
That's true. That's very deep at the same time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Let us know.
What's wrong with us?
We might be able to tell. Okay. I want the wood to be another color, and then it will look really nice.
I guess they can do it. It's kind of easy to do.
Yeah?
Yeah, because there is a lot of oil for wood to make them different, to get them different color.
Perfect.
So hopefully they will do something.
I believe in them. I believe in wood mood.
I hope they have a good mood.
That was bad.
I know.
That was pretty bad. I also hope they have a good mood. Okay.
To make it good, looking good. Sorry. Just
wood food. Wood glued. Wood. That's wood rude of you.
No, that was.
This is nice. This is a pretty clean one.
Yeah.
For someone that works on wood mood, you know.
So what about color? Did you like it?
I like the color now. Yes, the color is much better because it was too similar with the gold before. But now it's pretty and it's distinct. I'd say this one is even better than the last one. All right, give us more.
More reactions.
Right now,
Please.
please.